that if we have like more than two beta hydrogens and the
which will be the major product?
the higher alkyne group, that is alkane having
The
more
higher,
alkyne.
very good, very good. What is the reagent for this?
The reagent for this alcoholic
Alcoholic KOH. Suppose if you take the aqueous KOH, then what will be the product?
aqueous
If you
KOH.
take
Sir,
the
I
aqueous
just forgot. Sir, you were telling yesterday only. I remembered. I forgot. Sir.
aqueous KOH will give SN1 and SN2 reaction. And alcoholic KOH is going to give what? Alcoholic KOH will give that is what is called elimination reaction. What is the beta elimination reaction? Can you tell me beta elimination reaction? How can you define beta elimination reaction? Elimination reaction in which the beta hydrogen removed, that is called beta elimination reaction.
Sir, in the beta elimination of dihydrohalogen, sir, beta hydrogen will be removed.
Alcohol, phenol, and ether. As soon as your possibilities is there, you finish the chapter, okay? Because once the St. Joseph school will start now, we hardly get the time to finish the chapter. Then chapter finishing will be very difficult because hardly you will get the class weekly once or two. Here the offline tuitions are there. I cannot do also much more. So better before this summer vacation gets over, you finish the chapter, all the chapters. So night time you do join today because yesterday you are saying different. If you talk something different, I may not take the class. Therefore, you keep trying as soon as possible. At least you finish something, you will get to know. Some help you will get. Because here the priority will be also, my priority will be also na here. School students are there. That also I have to see them. So first of all, let us try to do why do we alcohol? If you talk about firstly see alcohols, they are what they are talking. They are hydroxy derivatives. Hydroxy derivative. Derivatives of hydrocarbon. They are hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbon. What do you mean by hydroxy derivatives? Suppose we are having what is that is alkane is there, and you are adding the OH minus and removing H plus. So what it is going to give CH3OH. So that is plus what will be there, whatever it will may be. So that is if this is alcohol. So that is alcohols are formed by removing one or more hydrogen by OH group. Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Now the question is, what is phenol? If I will ask you phenol, they are hydroxy derivative of benzene. Hydroxy derivatives of benzene. That is hydroxy derivatives of benzene. That is They are formed by. They are formed by removing.
Sir, you can
What?
send me this PDF also, sir. After you are done, can you send me the notes, sir?
Yeah, 100%, 100%. They are formed by removing one or more hydrogen of benzene ring. Hydrogen of benzene ring by what? By OH group. So if you see this, suppose we are having this one benzene ring is there, and anyhow if you are adding OH and minus doing H plus OH minus H, this is plus OH not minus. So plus OH minus H. So what will going to happen? This is the here it will be what OH. So if this is the benzene, so this is going to be what? This is going to be phenol. Can you check?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Acha, why do we study? The question is, why do we study? Why do we study alcohol? Study alcohol. What we will get? Like the haloalkane and haloarine we study because they are the no they are the use in making the drugs, like the chloroquine are there that is used to treatment of malaria. Chlorine is there that is used for the cleaning of the water. Then what is there? Chloroform is there that was used in anesthesia. Then iodoform is there that was being used as a what is that is the that is not the insecticide, the ointment. Okay, ointment. So they were the that one. But what is the reason behind the study of the OH group?
Sir, this also has multiple uses, such as like it can be used to make the medicines and it can be used to make the alcoholic
Ah,
drinks, other things.
okay. First thing is there, they are used as a ordinary spirit. Spirit means, do you know spirit? Combustible substance. Methanol is their ordinary spirit. Have you heard about the ordinary spirit?
Yes, sir. They are used in the
Ah.
spirit lamp.
CH3OH. Second, used in beverage. Used in beverage. Beverage. That is what we use. That is alcohol we use. CH3, CH2OH, ethanol. Okay. Also, that is the syrup used in syrup. Mostly that is what is there. Ethanol is there used in syrup. Have you heard about this one?
Yes, sir. Cup syrups.
Hmm. Next one. If you see the OH group containing compound like the notebook is there, na notebook. Notebook is OH containing group is there. Okay. Newspaper, whatever you are saying, the newspaper. This is also the part of this one. Currency notes. This is also, if you talk about this one, the same. Check. Checks is also the same. Certificates, etc. So these are all are the made up of what? That is the alcohol only. Okay. They are having the alcoholic group. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Classification when you are studying now. So it is the classification is exactly same as what we study the haloalkane and haloarine. So we are talking about classification of alcohol. So there are three ways to classify. First one, number of OH group. First thing is there number of OH group. Second one, sp3. COH bond. And last one, sp2COH bond. Now, this is the three types are there. If I will write this one, first one is monohydric. This is called monohydric. Second one, this is the dihydric. Third one, polyhydric. Monohydric means what is the one OH group? One, it will be the OH group. Here will be the two OH group. Two OH group. More than two OH group. More than two OH group. More than two OH group. So now what is there? Example, CH3OH, this one. CH2, CH2, here is going to be OH. This is also going to be OH. Last one, CH2, CH, CH2. Here is OH, this is OH, here is OH. So they are the classification of alcohol: monohydric, dihydric, and polyhydric alcohol. Now the another one, if you are going now, this is the similar to haloalkane and haloarine. They are the three categories: alkyl alcohol, alkyl alcohol. Second one, allyl alcohol. Third one, that is benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Here it is the two categories. First one is this is the vinyl alcohol, vinyl alcohol, and second one is phenol. Phenol is aryl alcohol. Now these can be three types: 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. This is also can be three type: 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. This also can be 1 degree, 2 degree, and 3 degree. Can you remember these things? We study the similar in the haloalkane, haloarine.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. I can see that it is similar. I can see it is similar.
This is the similar. So what I am going to do, this one, on the basis of number of OH group 1, this one I am not telling. This one not telling because it is very easy. So I am going to tell this one on the basis of sp3CX bond. So let us see classification on the basis of sp3COH bond. On the basis of sp3COH bond, in these case, OH group is directly attached with sp3 hybrid carbon. sp3 hybrid carbon directly attached with sp3 hybrid carbon. What are the three types if you talk about? They can be three types. First one is alkyl halide, alkyl alcohol. Second, allyl alcohol. Third, benzyl alcohol. This is also three category: 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. This is also 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. This is also 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Now we are going to study the alkyl alcohol. Are you listening me?
Sir, listening, sir. I told, can you scroll a bit upwards?
Is it okay?
Done. Done, sir. You can proceed.
Alkyl alcohol. So it is the classification same is like that what we did in the alkyl halide. So what was the alkyl halide? Any idea about that?
Sir, alcohol like alkyl group that has an attached OH group with it.
So alcohols in which alcohols in which alcohols in which OH group directly attached with sp3 hybrid carbon. sp3 hybrid carbon. Like what is there? This is the methyl alcohol. And this carbon is what is there? sp3 hybrid carbon. Now this is the alkyl alcohol. It can be three types. It can be three types. What are the three types? 1 degree alkyl alcohol. 1 degree alkyl alcohol. Or you can write primary alkyl alcohol. Primary alkyl alcohol. 1 degree alkyl alcohol or primary alkyl alcohol. So what we can write? Alcohols in which we can we write like that. Alcohols in which alpha carbon is attached with one more carbon or no more carbon. Either it is attached with one more carbon or no more carbon, like CH3OH. This is 1 degree alcohol. Another you see, if I will write that is CH3CH2OH, this is also going to be 1 degree alcohol. Because alpha carbon, this is alpha carbon attached with one more alcohol. Suppose if I will write this one, so alpha carbon attached with one more big carbon, beta, directly attached. We are talking about attached means what? Attached means directly attached, not indirectly. So directly it is also, can you see, this is the directly attached with only one carbon, one beta. They are the gamma carbon. So this is also going to be 1 degree alcohol. Can't you understand this?
Sir, understood.
Can I erase this one?
Yes, sir, you can erase.
2 degree alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol in which alpha carbon directly attached with two more carbon. are called secondary alcohol. They should have the direct attach with the two more carbon. This is the alpha carbon. Now alpha carbon, how many beta carbon are there? One, two beta carbon. So this is the 2-degree alcohol. This is going to be what? This is going to be 2-degree alcohol. Can't you understand? I'm asking,
Understood, sir.
what about this one? What is the degree of this alcohol?
This is 1 degree.
This
No,
is
no, no.
1
This is
degree.
1 to 1, no, not 1
Alpha
degree.
carbon, here is
Degree,
one beta, another beta. So what is the degree? 2
2
degree
degrees.
alcohol. Okay, 2-degree alcohol. Now we are going for the 3-degree alcohol. 3-degree alkyl alcohol. Alcohols in which alpha carbon directly attached with 3 more carbon. So if the alpha carbon directly attached with 3 more carbon is called, what it is going to call? Is called tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. Getting my point?
Yes.
Hmm. So if I will make the structure of 3-degree alcohol, so we can write like that: CH3, CH3, and CH3. This is the OH. So what you are going to? This is the alpha carbon. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why this is called alpha carbon? Because it is directly attached with functional group. Now how many beta carbon are there? 3 beta carbon. So that is 3-degree alcohol. This alcohol is 3-degree alcohol. Can't you understand this?
Understand.
Now another category we are going on the basis of otherwise on the basis of the same is there. We are going for the allyl alcohol. ALLYL, allyl alcohol. What was the allyl halide is Sanoy? What was allyl halide? Any idea?
Sir, it was the halogen group that replaced with the halogen group was attached with the allyl groups.
What is allyl group then?
Allyl groups are if we remove one hydrogen from allyl groups,
Okay, alcohols in which OH group directly attached with directly
allyl group I
attached
forgot.
with okay, no problem, directly attached with sp3 hybrid carbon, sp3 hybrid carbon just next to carbon carbon double bond, just next to carbon carbon double bond. That is what allyl group. Now example you see, CH3 CH double bond CH, Here is what is there, CH2OH. So this is what the sp3 carbon, and here is just next to carbon carbon double bond. This is what, carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon double bond. Now you see the here alcohols in which OH group directly attached with sp3 hybrid carbon just next to carbon carbon double bond. Can't you understand this concept, this one? Hello?
Yeah. But I'm writing, sir. One second.
Uh-huh. Understanding is very important. Done.
Done.
Uh, Up this can be of three types. This can be, this is the alpha carbon, na? So alpha carbon directly attached with one beta carbon. Then it will be 1 degree. Suppose this is CH3. Same example I am writing. CH2OH. So this is alpha carbon and it is attached with one beta carbon. So that is 1 degree allyl alcohol. 1 degree allyl alcohol. Now another one you see, this one. If I will change the alpha carbon should attach with the 2 carbon, then what will happen? Here is CH3, this is H, here is OH. This is alpha carbon, here beta, number of beta you see, 2 beta carbon. So this is the 2 degree allyl alcohol. 2 degree allyl alcohol. Now, the third one you see. Third one, if you are talking about CH3, CH double bond CH, then C, here it will be CH3, this is CH3, here is OH. So this is alpha carbon attached with 3 beta carbon. 3 beta carbon. So 3 degree allyl alcohol. Can't you understand this?
So I'm understanding.
Hmm.
But writing, still writing, sir.
Okay, you can write. Done.
Sir, last line.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Oh. You try to understand also because we are little bit faster. We are studying the faster than the okay. We are not little faster. We are very fast. So just understanding is very important. You understand the concept also. I will share the PDF to you. Getting my point? Hello.
Sir, okay.
You write as much as possible, but you understand. Try to understand also. Now, on the basis of sp2cx bond. On this basis, OH group is directly attached with carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon double bond, and can be two types, and can be of two types. What two types? The first one, this is called vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. The first one is called vinyl alcohol, and the second one called phenol. Phenol, or you can say aryl alcohol. Phenol is nothing but aryl alcohol. Now we are going to understand what do you mean by vinyl alcohol. VINYL. Vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol means the OH group is directly attached with carbon-carbon double bond. This is the OH. This example is what? This is the vinyl alcohol. And the second one is we are going to phenol. Phenol, already I explained you phenol. What is there? That is the carbon-carbon double bond will be there here in the ring. In the ring, what is there? Carbon-carbon double bond already there. Yes or no? This one. And here is directly what is there? OH group. If I will ask you, how can you say vinyl? Because it is directly attached with sp2 hybrid carbon, and it is also attached with sp2 hybrid carbon. So they are the vinyl class. This is the
Sir, scroll
classification.
a bit upwards, sir. Scroll a bit
Yes.
upwards. Done, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, you can show me
Now,
the vinyl alcohol and phenyl alcohol once. Example, I have to this one. Then done. Done, sir. Thank you.
okay. You check the chapter alcohol, phenol, and ether. Is there any? Question number 11.1. Is the question is visible to you?
Yes, sir. Visible.
They are saying classify primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol, and the other things also they are saying. Second, identify allyl alcohols in the above. Which one is allyl alcohol? So now this is C. This is the alpha carbon directly attached with 1D beta carbon. These carbon are gamma carbon. There is no classification related to gamma carbon. So if alpha carbon is attached with one more beta carbon, then it is known as what type of alcohol? What is this one? Allyl, alkyl, vinyl, allyl, benzyl, what?
So this will
First
be
of all, this is alkyl alcohol, and this is if you are writing degree. So this is the 1 degree primary. Because the definition of primary alcohol is alpha carbon attached with one more carbon or no more carbon. So one beta carbon is there, na? So this is the primary alcohol. Now this one, alpha carbon attached with one beta carbon. So this is also 1 degree. But this is the sp3 just next to carbon carbon double bond. So this is 1 degree allyl alcohol. This is the allyl alcohol. Can you understand this one?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, here you see this is alpha carbon, beta carbon. So this is 1 degree alkyl alcohol. What about this one? We did not study benzylic alcohol, na benzyl alcohol. One thing we missed out, benzyl alcohol. Wait, I will tell you. This is alpha carbon just next to benzene ring. But alpha carbon is having two beta carbon. So 2 degree benzyl alcohol, BENZYL, benzyl alcohol. 2 degree benzyl alcohol. I will explain you benzyl alcohol. Now this one. This is alpha carbon, this is beta beta. Okay. So what it is going to be? Alpha carbon attached with 2 degree alcohol. 2 degree alcohol. What is this one? Alpha carbon attached with beta carbon, how many? 3 beta carbon, but carbon carbon double bond is also there. So it is 3 degree allyl alcohol. 3 degree allyl alcohol. Alcohol attached with sp3 hybrid carbon just next to carbon carbon double bond. So 3 degree allyl alcohol this will be. So there are two allyl alcohol in this one. What are the two allyl alcohol? First one is this one allyl alcohol, and second one this is allyl alcohol. Can you understand this?
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Okay, done, sir.
Hmm. Now I am giving you the homework. UPSC name you can do by yourself. Wait, we'll do it. First of all, benzyl alcohol you were studying. PEN, BEN, benzyl alcohol or benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. Alcohols in which OH group directly attached with sp3 hybrid carbon just next to benzene ring. Just next to benzene ring. Is called benzylic alcohol. Now example, if you see, this is alpha carbon, and that a carbon is sp3 hybrid, and this carbon just next to benzene ring. So this is what is, if OH group is directly attached with sp3 hybrid carbon, just next to benzene ring, that is called benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. Of this can be of three types. 1 degree benzylic alcohol. Second one, 2 degree benzylic alcohol. And last one is 3 degree benzylic alcohol. अब alcohol, if you talk about degree of alcohol, depends on 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, depends on alpha carbon. That with how many carbon alpha carbon is attached. If alpha carbon attached with one more carbon or no more carbon, that is 1 degree. Here you see, if I will write the benzylic alcohol 1 degree, this is CH2OH. But here if you see the second one, so this is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Can you understand? Hello, Tannoy.
You can scroll it in the person last. That one I missed. Sir, you can scroll a little downward also. That one done. Done. Can continue.
Done. Over now.
Yes.
Okay. IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols. So first of all, we have to do the numbering to parent chain. Numbering to parent chain. Then what we have to do, name the prefix. Name the prefix. Name the word root. Name the primary suffix. Name the secondary suffix. What is the prefix? Prefix can be FCl, Br, I, CH3, NO2, etc. Word root 1 carbon, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. This is the meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex. Name of primary suffix single bond ane, double bond ene, triple bond ine. And for OH group, we have to use the word all. There is no much rule are there. For the IPSC naming, there is not too much rule in this case.
Okay. So writing, I'm writing this one.
This is what the order of number in naming.
Last.
Done.
No, sir. I'm writing the last. This one, the last column.
Okay, okay.
Done, sir. Done.
Okay. So how to write the common name? Common name is what is alkyl. First we have to write alkyl. ALKYL. Plus alcohol. This we have to follow. So we are writing the compound. Then we are writing common name. And finally we have IUPAC name. So let us write the first one. CH3OH. So here we are going to find that is only one carbon is there. One carbon is called methyl and OH group is called alcohol. But for IUPAC name, we have to number one. One carbon is meth, single bond is ane, OH group is all, methanol. If I will write the another example, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. So 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon is called propyl, PROPYL, propyl. Then it is going to be alcohol. And the IPAC name, we have to write the word root. Word root is what? Prop, single bond is ane, OH group is all, propanol. Now, here another one we are writing, CH3, CH, this is CH3. Here is OH. So this group is called, what this group is called? Isopropyl. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. And if you are writing the one, 2, 3. So this is what is the propane 2 all. Last one. There are many example are there. We are running only few one. If you see this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon is called butyl, and this is going to be alcohol. IUPAC name that is 4 carbon but single bond N 1 all butanol. If I will write another one, CH3 CH, here is CH3. This becomes CH3 iso group. Iso group is also called secondary group. Wait. We are talking.
Sir, what is the IUPAC name for isopropyl alcohol you wrote?
What?
Okay, got it.
CH3, CH, here is OH, CH2, CH3. If you this one, common name, this carbon is what is that is 2 degree na. This carbon is 2 degree alpha, carbon attached with 2 degree carbon. So this 2 degree is called secondary. Then total carbon is 4, butyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol. But if you write the IPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will write that is butane 2 all. Butane 2 all. If I will write this example, you see. Here what is there? CH2, CH and CH2. This is OH. So this one is called, common name is glycerol, GLYCEROL. But if you are talking about IUPAC name, so it is the what is 1, 2, 3. This is propane 1, 2, 3 triol. This IUPAC name is very simple. Nothing is difficulty in this. If you study in the 11th standard, the same way you have to do that one. That
So last one writing. To the second last one, sec-butyl alcohol done. I'm writing the glycerin. Done, sir.
okay. If I will write the mode example, one last. This is OH. Common name is cyclohexyl alcohol. But IUPAC name, if you are writing cyclohexanol, cyclohexanol. So this one you kindly memorize this one, whatever the things. Next heading is there, common and IUPAC name of phenol. There is no rule for the common for the phenol. Let us see the one example. First one, we are writing OH. So if you write the common name or the IUPAC name, same, this is the also called phenol, and this is also called the phenol only. If other example I will take this one. So OH is at the same place. Here we are taking CH3. That is called orthocresol. Common name orthocresol. And if you are writing IUPAC name, this will be the 1, 2. So 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. Suppose you take the third one, and the OH is as it is, and CH3 at meta position. So that is metacresol. This is metacresol. And this will be the 3-methyl phenol. Let us know the last one. What will be the last one? OH and CH3 is the downside. So this is paracresol. Paracresol. So cresol is what that is, having the CH3 group as well as OH group. And IUPAC name 4-methyl phenol. 4-methyl phenol. This is there. Suppose what we will do, if there is 2 OH group and very close, this is common name and IUPAC both we are writing. Common name is called catechol, CATECHOL, catechol. And IUPAC name benzene, 1, 2 diol. If suppose another is there, this is benzene, here is OH group, this is OH group. That is called resorcinol, RESORCINOL, resorcinol. The resorcinol, that is called benzene. 1, 3 diol. Last one. This is the OH. Here is OH. This is called quinol. QUINOL. Common name. Yeah, hydroquinone. This will come again. Reaction is there. QUINO. Hydroquinone. And IUPAC, if you are writing benzene, 1, 4 diol. So these all are the IUPAC name. Some example we have done. So next heading will be, that is what we will do some of the problem from the exercise. You before that you do with yourself, and then we will
Sir,
further move.
sir, let me finish first this one.
What Tanmay?
So let me finish first this one, sir.
Okay. Sanjay, done? Hello.
Done. Done.
So we have to do the problem based on IPSC name. That we will do the evening, and also we will finish the method of preparation. So evening, the two topic will be over: method of preparation and IPSC name practice. Two topic. Then chemical properties tomorrow, and then we have to study phenol, then ether. So it will take the this today is what Thursday, na? By Sunday we will finish this one. So I will share this PDF if you required, and you connect night time, right?
Okay.